Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world, reshaping the way we live and work. From healthcare to manufacturing, AI is revolutionizing industries, driving efficiency and innovation. Companies must adapt to this new reality, embracing AI to stay competitive. Developing internal AI capabilities is no longer optional, it's a critical necessity. It is essential for survival and future success in an AI-driven world. Those who fail to embrace AI risk falling behind, losing their competitive edge. The demand for AI professionals is soaring, creating a highly competitive job market. Companies are vying for talent in this competitive landscape, seeking the best minds. Building a successful AI team requires a strategic approach and careful planning. It's not just about finding people with the right technical skills. It's about the right fit. It's about fostering a culture of innovation, collaboration, and continuous learning within the organization. This essay will outline the key steps to building a high-performing AI team, essential for success. We will explore the essential skills, recruitment strategies, and team dynamics that drive success in the age of AI, ensuring your organization thrives. A strong AI team needs a diverse set of skills. Technical expertise is crucial, of course. Proficiency in programming languages like Python is essential. Knowledge of machine learning algorithms and deep learning frameworks is also vital. Data analysis, statistical modeling, and visualization skills are equally important. AI professionals must be able to extract insights from vast amounts of data. However, technical skills alone are not enough. AI professionals must also possess strong human skills. Effective communication is paramount. They need to be able to explain complex concepts to both technical and non-technical audiences. Collaboration and teamwork are also crucial, as AI projects often involve cross-functional teams. Building a successful AI team is like assembling a puzzle. Each piece must fit perfectly to create a complete picture. Each piece or team member brings a unique set of skills and perspectives. These diverse viewpoints are crucial for innovation. The key is to find the right combination of technical experts, domain experts, and business leaders. This blend ensures a well-rounded approach. Technical experts provide the foundational knowledge of AI algorithms and techniques. They are the backbone of any AI project. Domain experts bring their deep understanding of specific industries or business functions. Their insights are invaluable for practical applications. Business leaders provide the strategic vision and ensure that AI initiatives align with overall business goals. They steer the ship in the right direction. Creating a culture of collaboration is essential. It fosters trust and encourages team members to contribute their best ideas. Team members need to be able to communicate effectively, share ideas freely, and work together towards common goals. This synergy is the key to success. Open communication channels, regular team meetings, and collaborative workspaces can foster a more cohesive and productive team environment. These elements create a fertile ground for innovation and efficiency. Section 4, from pilots to products, applying AI expertise to real-world challenges. Once the core AI team is in place, the next step is to apply their expertise to real-world problems. Start with small, high-impact pilot projects. This allows the team to gain experience, demonstrate the value of AI, and identify any skill gaps. As the team matures, they can take on more complex and ambitious projects. It's important to choose projects that align with business goals and have a clear return on investment. Engage stakeholders early on to ensure buy-in and support. Regular communication and progress updates are crucial to keep everyone informed and engaged. Section 5. The learning curve, fostering continuous growth and innovation. The field of AI is constantly evolving, with new advancements being made every day. New algorithms, tools, and techniques emerge at a rapid pace, making it essential to stay updated. To stay ahead of the curve, AI teams must embrace continuous learning and development, adapting to changes swiftly. Encourage team members to attend conferences, read research papers, and stay informed about the latest trends. Additionally, participating in online courses can provide valuable knowledge and skills. Create a culture of experimentation and knowledge sharing within the team. Encourage team members to experiment with new ideas, share their findings, and collaborate on innovative projects. Learning from each other's experiences can lead to breakthroughs and new perspectives. This will help foster innovation and keep the team's skills sharp and relevant. By investing in continuous learning and development, companies can ensure that their AI teams remain at the forefront of this rapidly evolving field, ready to tackle new challenges and opportunities.